Hi, I'm Chris from Back to Earth. Now I'm here today to talk to you about sound insulation. So I have a polystyrene box and I have a wood fibre box. Now both polystyrene and wood fibre are insulation materials used in building construction. The question is, which one is the better sound insulator? So here I have an alarm that I'm going to use to test the sound insulation of the boxes. Okay, so let's test the polystyrene first. Still pretty noisy. So let's now see if the wood fibre performs any better. As you can hear, that is really, really quiet. So as you can hear, wood fibre, it really is the far superior sound insulation material. So if you're thinking of insulating your home and you want to keep things quiet, I'd really recommend you use wood fibre insulation. And also take a look at the following link for more information.